And I'd like to welcome Shirley Witt, of course, with the Florence Sylvester Memorial Senior Center in Age Well. And a few things to talk about. One,
Yes.
we want to remind folks that you are busy deconstructing and constructing the center,
Yeah,
right?
the staff is very busy on their hands and knees
Yes.
pulling up those floors. No, we're under construction. We're making a beautification of the senior center. We're doing the men's bathroom, which 2 years ago we remodeled the women's
Yeah, I
bathroom. We
remember.
promised the men that we would do theirs. So we're redoing them.
Do the men care as much?
Men don't give a damn.
No.
And so we're remodeling the men's bathroom, and we are redoing all the floors in the senior center. So it's very dirty and dusty in there now, so that's the reason we had to close. But we are going to reopen on Monday, November 19th.
Okay.
And we'll be back in business. But the staff is still working, so if anybody wants to call the senior center, 380-0155, we're still there working, answering questions. Our Meals on Wheels program is still in full force.
That's the main thing.
The main thing.
Yeah.
Our volunteers are there every day. We're delivering to the homebound seniors. And so
That's great.
That's continuing on. So
you come back in time to do, Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving's a couple more days after that.
Yeah, so that'll be good. You'll get, now as far as, I know obviously a lot of the classes and things, and events won't start up again. And then do you still have a full slate coming up?
We have a full slate coming up just like before. So if you have any doubts about your classes or anything, just give the center a call. We are there to answer your questions.
Okay.
And we are getting at that time of the year where we really can use some volunteer help.
Right.
Especially on our Meals on Wheels program. And that doesn't necessarily mean you have to drive a route. But we, help pack bags, help clean bags, help around the senior center with certain things for our Meals on Wheels program.
Now, for people who want to do that, what is the time they come in the morning? What's the
They'd
time
probably
that they
come in around 9 o'clock and work till about 12 o'clock, or we can plan it, depend on what the job is.
So they would come in and help, like you said, pack up things?
Right, exactly. And for those who are interested in driving, that would usually be around 10 o'clock, and you're back at the center about 11:30. So about an hour and a half of your time to deliver probably to about 6 to 8 people.
Yeah, that's a great way to help.
It's important.
Now, as far as people calling in, can you still help them out if they're, I'm looking for this type of service?
Absolutely.
That's what you folks are so good at.
We can still refer out to the community if somebody needs that. Our case manager, Cheryl, is still working if somebody has some problems that we need. So we're still in full force working, but just can't come into the senior center unless you have a hard hat and a mask on. So.
Yeah, okay. And it's going to be nice when it's all done.
It's going to be beautiful.
Taking away the cold tile and putting in nice flooring.
That's right. It's going to be nice and warm. So. And it is that time of year. It's Thanksgiving in December, so we have a lot of programs going on in December. A lot of great entertainment for our luncheons. And just to remind everybody that we do work for Age Well Senior Services, which is a nonprofit. And if you appreciate what Age Well has done for you, whether it be transportation, case management, Meals on Wheels, we accept donations. It's that time of year.
Now, as far as other things that you mentioned, Age Well in general.
Right.
If people have the ability to do so, there's other places they can go, like is it the Norman?
Yeah,
is it
the Norman P. Murray.
Yeah. If they want to go up there, I know where I live in RSM.
Right.
There's the Bell Tower Foundation.
Or Sea Country, which is in Laguna Niguel.
Yeah.
So if you miss our lunches or anything like that, you're welcome to go to those sites.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, as far as people knowing the schedule coming up, starting the 19th, because I know when you came here, you gave us, we had the November schedule, but at that point in time,
we closed down.
You weren't quite sure.
We should have our new December schedule by the 15th of this month. So we're not opening till the 19th, but when we open, you will have your new schedule. Okay.
Now, the schedule that was out for November, are the things after the 19th still on?
We didn't have a schedule in November.
Oh, you didn't at all?
Yeah, because we were closed 3 weeks out in November. So we
the
did
last
not have
week and a half, 2 weeks of November will be kind of like mainly lunches and things like that.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So if people want more, they can go online and find all that. But yeah, if you want to help out, there's many ways
Absolutely.
that you can.
Absolutely. We have great volunteer opportunities. The volunteers that we have are angels. And once they start volunteering, they said, I'm quoting one lady, she goes, I don't know why I didn't do this years ago. It's really been a great experience for me. So if you have some free time, a couple minutes out of the day, a couple hours out of the week, you know, give back to the community.
Now coming up, because we're near the end of the year, it goes by.
I don't believe it.
Are you going to be doing anything for tax season as we get into
February
or whenever?
We're still pondering that.
Okay.
We have not been told. I know that they are moving most of the tax consultants to the village.
Okay.
So we're still in conversation with AARP. So we'll be letting people know.
Okay, but it'll still be one way or another for the seniors, the people who live here.
Oh, absolutely.
The service will be there.
Oh, absolutely.
Because that's a great...
They're expanding that service here in the village, so that's great.
That's a really good service.
Yeah.
And again, you know, we'll get the schedule out. Next time you're on, I'm trying to think, that should be done by then.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, absolutely. I'll bring it in. It's we're back on I think the 21st, the day before Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
So.
All right, very good. Always good to see you.
Nice to see you, Ken.
Thank you very much for coming on, and we'll keep you posted if for some reason that schedule changes,
yes,
but
absolutely.
It shouldn't.
It shouldn't. It better not.
Because you know what? Shirley will be out there.
That's right.
Putting the flooring in herself.
I will, and I have been.
Yeah. with the miter saw all ready to go there. All right, thanks for coming. Say hi to Cheryl for me and everyone else over there, and we'll be right back.